Hi, nursery students. I am Shefali teacher, welcoming you again for online class. How are you? I believe you are doing well. So, dear students, now let us continue our English class. This time, you will learn some new words. Along with that, you will learn also one word with each letter. Okay, students, let us say together. A is for ant. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for key. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rat. S is for spoon. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for wheel. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Dear learners, you have learned one word with each letter. Now you will do classwork. Classwork is look at the alphabet in the first column and circle the pictures which begins with that alphabet. Let us do it. Both sides, first one is done for you. Like G is for goat and S is for spoon. Now H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for key. L is for lemon. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for wheel. And X is for xylophone. Dear students, let us learn some new words with each letter and spell it with me. First letter is N. N is for nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Nose means neck. Then N is for nut. N-U-T. Nut. Nut means badam. Then letter O. O is for owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl means pecha. Then O is for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange means kamla lebu. Then letter P. P is for pot. P-O-T. Pot. Pot means Patra. Then P is for pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Pencil means rule. Then letter R. R is for rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Rose means golab. Then R is for rat. R-A-T. Rat. Rat means idur. Then letter S. S is for star. S-T-A-R. Star. Star means tara. S is for sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun means Surya. Then letter T. T is for top. T-O-P. Top. Top means Latin. T is for tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tree means gach. Then letter V. V is for vest. V-E-S-T. Vest. Vest means Genji. V is for van. V-A-N. Van. Van means Vangari. Then letter W. W is for watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Watch means hathgadi. Then W is for well. W-E-L-L. Well. Well means coop. Then letter X. X is for X. A-X-E. X. X means kudal. Then X is for box. B-O-X. Box. Box means baksho. Then letter Y. Y is for yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow means holud. Then Y is for yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Dear students, let us do classwork. After that, practice it at home. Classwork is match the word with each picture and write the word in given box. First one is well. W-E-L-L. Well. Then owl. O-W-L. Owl. Then X. A-X-E. X. Then pot. P-O-T. Pot. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Then nut. N-U-T. Nut. Then sun. S-U-N. Sun. Vest. V-E-S-T. Vest. And then last one is top. T-O-P. Top. Dear students, now pay attention to your homework. Homework 1 is look at the alphabet in the first column and circle the pictures which begins with that alphabet. Homework 2 is match the word with pictures and write the word in given box. My dear nursery students, thank you so much for being with me. Stay home and be safe. Bye bye. See you.